So moving on to the other topics of the presentation. So we finished the data. So how does SAP help you improve your business process and in turn help you reduce your cost of operations? Excuse me, having some water. So yes, so let's move to understand. Everybody knows that manual process or automation is always beneficiary to any organization, and in turn, how can you automate different or how can you streamline different operations within your organization? So if you look at SMEs, you would have a finance team who will do your financial, whether it is general vouchers, expense, recurring postings, balance sheet, fixed assets management. So SAP provides you a very enterprise level management of finances at different stages of your organization. And as it is an integrated system, the operations that may affect finance is automatically done as you do different processes within the different departments of SAP. So, for example, in sales order, when you create an invoice, automatically the finance would know when they are taking payments, what is the example, which partner it is related to, as it is an integrated system. So yes, so you can streamline your financial department. You can also, if you have a CRM or you have a telesales team or customer services team, they can use the opportunity module, which is a CRM in SAP, and it allows them to do their daily activities and streamline operations within the organization over there. Sales department, so you can see over here, it has a very extensive sales department operations, so sales or quotations, orders, deliveries, returns, down payments, so advance payments if you're taking, AR invoice, so AR means accounts receivable. So that's where you're receiving the money from customers. So sales is where you receive and purchase is where you pay. So AR invoices with payment. So if you're taking payment with invoices and so on. So there are so many functions related to sales, which you can easily automate over here. And also you can streamline your sales operation using different processes within the SAP. Same goes with purchase department, streamlining your purchase department, banking, which is a finance operation. So this banking is under the banking module where you can manage your bank statements, do everything, your checks, your reporting, your pay orders, your incoming, outgoing payments, or even if you're taking deposits from your customers, and so on. Inventory is also one of the, so your warehouse and anything related to inventory management can be done over here. This module can, and why it is modularized is because you may have different people in your organization whom you may want to give access to a particular thing, and you may not want to give access to a particular thing to certain people. So when SAP has modularized and created different documents to maintain different things, you can restrict and give access to different people at different places. So that allows you to streamline your operations with checks and balances. Resources is if you were having, if you are doing manufacturing and you wanted to allocate resources for manufacturing, whether they are machines or they are manpower or anything. And production is your manufacturing. Your production manager can maintain so many things, and he may not have to. The production manager may not really need access to sales. So you can restrict different modules to give different rights: MRP, services, human resource, and also reporting and interactive analytics. So So yes, that here is how you can actually streamline different departments within your organization and so on. Um, Another thing a lot of people want in today's world is automation at actual process level within the organization. So what is automation? And how we can really help you automate your minute details within the organization. So let's say you create a sales order and or invoice or anything. How can you really automate different things at that level when you create certain things? So let me very quickly show you how we can really go to this, and we can go to print preferences. So here you can see how we can automate different things at a different document level. So you can see over here, you can select sales order, and you can say when you save the sales order, email the document, export to PDF, and it will automatically do that when you want to create that particular document. You can also create a subject line, order number, and we can also automate preferences. So if there were preference texts, or you can write the order number, thank you for your order, and you can write your or body text over here with and it will automatically update the customer, and it will also send a PDF of the order along with it. So this is for sales. You can do that for deliveries, everything. Yeah, all the documents that are relevant for you over here can be automated. You can also go by reports. So you can also send aging reports to your customers and vendors, whatever it is, your customers more precisely, and you can send your reports automatically with an email, how and when it needs to be sent. So these are some of the things that are very crucial for your day-to-day operations. Let me show you an example of an integrated system process, and how it really helps a customer in doing so. So if you remember, we had already created a